Great Swing, the Rough and Racing Best of Biscuit, the favorite, running by the Rails Queen Mamba, Tatara, rushing up by the Rails Queen Cuba, and alongside is King 4 together with Libre Lang, rushing up is Sweet Embrace on the outside, is Ida's Julian Braceable, while Rain Dancer is running at the tail of the field, Best of Biscuit. Libre Lang is running in second and racing in third by the Royal Queen Cuba, Queen Mamba. Ida's Julian rising up. Sweet Embrace is running fifth, King Ford. Racing towards the final turn. It's the Best of Biscuit by some 3 lengths. Libre Lang is running in second. Sweet Embrace alongside Ida's Julian and rushing up by the Royal Embraceable. And nearing the finish line, Best of Biscuit, Libre Lang, Sweet Embrace on the Federals and Iris, Julian, Queen Cuba, Tatara, and finally, Best of Biscuit. Sweet Embrace, Queen Cuba, Libre Lang, Tatara for your Fenta Fecta.